Hi guys, welcome to my channel Jarvis Universe. Today we will learn how to control 7 segment display using Arduino. So here on our screen we have a diagram of typical 7 segment display. We call it 7 segment display because it contains 7 LEDs and they are numbered as follows: A, B, C, D, E, F, then middle one is G. Then we have 10 terminals. Bottom ones are counted from left to right and the upper ones are right to left. So this is how we are going to connect our 7 segment display to Arduino. We will connect ground pin to the common, which is pin 8 on our 7 segment display, and we will leave the pin 3 as it is for the decimal. So here we have connections for all the terminals and our ground. Let's have a look at the components we need. This is how our 7 segment display looks like. Then we have the terminals, 5 on the top and 5 at the bottom. Let's hook this up to our breadboard and start making our connections. So to make it easier to connect, I will provide a table. So which pin is going to which terminal of the Arduino, as it will get really messy as we are going to use a lot of terminals on this project. So here we have 7 goes to A, 8 goes to B, C goes to 9, D goes to 10, E goes to 11, G goes to 12 and F goes to 13, then ground goes to common. So I will make my connections quickly. As you can see, we are using a lot of terminals here. So we have everything we need. We just need to put common to ground and we are done here. Let's verify the connection once again so that we don't mess it up. Okay, so connections seem to be alright. Let's move to the coding part. We shall begin our code by defining all the segments for each terminal. So we will define A, B, C, D, E, G and F to respective terminals. Then we have to provide delay, which we will define as dt, 1 second. Then we have to define all our pins as output in the setup. So we will write pin mode for each of the terminals. So the interesting part is how we will make our segment glow. So for that we will write a digital program, digital write A is equal to 1, A comma 1. So that means A is high. So first here we are writing the code for number 0. So in that every segment will be high except G. So we will write every segment as 1 and we will write G as 0 Then we will provide a delay of 1 second. Then similarly we will write the code for 1, 2, 3 and all the numbers up to 9. You can see which segments I need to turn off. I have defined them as 0. So here we have our code. We can verify the code after saving it, and then we can upload the program. Okay, so we have saved our program. Now it's verified and we can upload it. Let's upload and move to the circuit. The code is uploaded. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will make it a little dark. Okay, now you can see the numbers. So this is how we can use our 7-segment display with various programs. We can define these segments as 0 and 1 and make it glow. There are various applications to these segments. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Ciao.